Welcome again to the Arabic language lessons. My name is Rania, and today we are going to talk about the pronouns, الضمائر. In the Arabic language, there are three types of pronouns. The first one, the speaker use it. The second one, if you are talking to someone, you should use this type of pronouns. And the third type is about the absentee. If someone was absent, you should use this type of pronouns to talk about him or her. So the first type of the pronouns, the speaker pronouns, and instead of saying I in English, you should say أنا. أنا. And instead of saying we in English, you should say نحن. نحن. So أنا. أنا. نحن. نحن. The second time, if you are talking to someone and you will say in English, you. So if this person is a single masculine, you should use أنت. أنت. If it's single feminine, you should use أنتِ. أنتِ. So for the single feminine, use أنتِ with الكسرة. For the single masculine, you will use أنت with الفتحة. So you in single, أنت, أنتِ. أنت, أنتِ. If you want to use it as a plural, if they are men, you should say أنتم. أنتم. If they are women, you should say أنتن. أنتن. So for the plural masculine, أنتم. أنتم. For the plural feminine, أنتن. أنتن. The third type is the absentee pronouns. Instead of saying he in English, you will say هو. هو. Instead of saying she in English, you will say هي. هي. So for the single masculine, هو. هو. For the single feminine, هي. هي. Now, if you want to say they in Arabic, if they are men, you will say هم. هم. If they are women, you will say هن. هن. So for the plural masculine, you will use هم. هم. For the plural feminine, you will use هن. هن. So this is all what you have to know about the pronouns in the Arabic language. I hope you enjoyed my video. You can subscribe to my channel at Rania to find out everything you want to know about the Arabic language. Thank you for watching and see you next time.